Section 8.4 Property of the Logarithms. Objective number 1. Properties of logarithms. From the definition of the log, we can find out the property number 1 and number 2. So you see that A is the base, and the base to what exponent to give you the answer is 1. The exponent must be 0, so a to the power 0 equal to 1. And for the second one, we have a to the what power 2 equal to himself. The answer is 1, so a to the 1 equal to a. For property number 3 and 4, we need to memorize them. But you notice that if you have a number and then raised to the power with the base of the log is the same, then the answer will be the argument m. And the fourth property, we have the argument a and a base are the same, then the exponent will be the answer. I make 4 examples and we will apply 4 properties. Number 1, we will use the property number 1. The reason why is that you have the argument 1, 1, and 1. So we will use the property number 1. The base in part A is 3. So A is 3. But the answer is 0. Because 3 to the power 0 equal to 1. In part B, you see that is the ln, and the base of the ln is e. So e to the what power give us the answer is 1. The answer is also 0. In part C, you don't see any base. That base is 10. So the 10 is invisible. So 10 to the what power equal to 1. Then the answer is 0 because 10 to the power 0 equal to 1. All of the example number 1, we use property number 1. So log of any base, the argument is 1, will give us the answer is 0. Number 2, we look at the property number 2. If the argument and the base are the same, then the answer is 1. Think about the definition. A to the 1 is equal to a. In part A, you see 5 and 5. Argument and the base is the same. Then 5 to the 1 equal to 5. In part B, the base that you don't see is e. So e to the power 1 equal to e. And the base that you don't see in part C is 10. So 10 to the power 1 equal to 10. Then the answer is 1. Example number 3. First of all, we have the base is 4, 10, and e. Now we look at the log. The base is 4, which is the same as the base, the number 4 base. The base in part B is invisible, that is 10, and it's the same as 10. Is the base of problem B. And the ln, the base is e, and it's the same as the base of the problem. So we will apply property number 3. When you have the number is a and raised to the log, the base of the log is a also. Then the answer will be the argument 3, the argument 2, and the argument 7. So example number 3, we apply property number 3. Property number 4, we will apply for example number 4. The base and the argument are the same, then the exponent will be the answer.